Hello, my name is Ilyas Pasha.
Hi, I'm Shahbaz.
Hello, I'm Afzan Ahmad. Hello, I'm Saif.
This is Ahmad Abdul Hafiz.
Hi, I am Abdul Raqib.
We are the students of Mufakamja College of Engineering and Technology. We are pursuing our engineering EC third year, all of us. Apart from our academics, we are also interested in many other activities, one such being robotics. At Robotics Center, we do different projects every year and the legacy goes on. One after the other year, the team comes in and they do different projects. This year, we've made around 10 projects and this being one of them. Now let's see what my friend has to say about this.
So this is a computer numerical controlled board consisting of 3 motors, 2 stepper motors and a servo motor. The stepper motor which we have used here acts as an actuator. The stepper motor, the complete mechanism is taken from a DVD drive which you can find at your home. So you can build the complete board at your home with the old DVD drives which are of no use. So we have got nothing to do with the memory part of it. All we need is a motor. So the first step, we have taken 2 stepper motors of same specs. Even if you don't have the stepper motor of same specs, you can make it by aligning to one another, by making both of them run at the same speed. So the third motor we have used here is a servo motor. The servo motor of course rotates from 0 to 180 degrees. So let me tell you, the stepper motor which we have used on this is the x-axis. So we have used a stepper motor here to actuate the paper. The stepper motor which we have used on the y-axis is to actuate the pen, and the servo motor connected here is to lift it. So we have used the servo motor as the bipolar servo motor which have 2 phase bars, each connected by an L2 and 3D, which are the motor driving ICs, and also the servo motor which is controlled by a PWM signal via Arduino. The complete setup is run via Arduino, the microcontroller.
The way this thing works is, basically we give an image as an input and this image is converted into G codes. G codes are nothing but coordinates, the X, the Y and the Z coordinates. Now once we have compiled all the image, we convert it into a bitmap, which is nothing but a compilation of a G code. Let's say if my X, Y, Z values are 300, 400 and 500 respectively, then the X value, the X axis receives a value of 500 and this motor will receive 5 volts. Now similarly, this Y axis motor will receive 3 volts for value of 300 and this servo will receive a 90-degree shift when we give the value. Once all these G codes are run together, all these axes combine and form an image.
Yeah, so Shahbaz, what has it drawn now? Has it drawn a cartoon or has it written our homework? What does it do?
See, the thing is, Ilyas bhai, we have produced a prototype and at this phase the print area is about 4 by 4 centimeters. So basically the image which you are seeing here is a cartoon character. And we can extend our board to like a print area of maybe 10 by 10 or a chart size, which will help us to print various PCBs, industrial applications, to draw the AutoCAD models, etc. So basically what I am telling is this can basically be used for PCB designing and precision tools printing and all that stuff.
So loosely translated, it can actually be done by anyone. Like
Yeah.
a beginner can start off with this project, right?
Yes, basically this is a DIY type of model which we have chosen. Basically you need 2 DVD drives for this and the rest is figured out. A little bit of programming is there which can be done by a basic engineer, and that's it, you can create this board.
Alright, so now it has drawn an image. Let's see if it can write something. Does it write or not?
Yeah,
Yes.
it can write any letters which are given to it. First we need to process that through the Inkscape software which we have here. Then we need to give it to this Arduino board which will process that G code and then it will print. So basically you can print any letters given that they are of 4 by 4 centimeters.
Right, now we'll see. It's very evident that it can actually be done by a beginner. You not really require some hi-fi prerequisite softwares, but it can actually be seen on YouTube videos. You can get inspired from YouTube videos, or you can just log on to our website roboticsmjct.com to have a broader view about this project. And for the finish, now let's say the project is complete. It has done a few images. The image which you see right now here is an anime. What is the name of the character?
Hisoka.
Right, he says it's a Hisoka. You see here there are other Pokemons, there are a few gears, and there's a minion also which is quite interesting. So like this, it can draw many other images, given that, like he said, it needs a software and it needs a basic programming language. Alright, so that is about the project, guys. You can also make this. Let's see if it is really possible. for you guys. And like mentioned before, we at MJCT are always involved in some of the other projects every time, and this being one of them. And you can also visit our website roboticsmjc.com and also our Instagram pages, and you'll get a much more broader view about our project. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.